Picked up an engine yesterday. It's a Nelson Brothers Little Jumbo. They said 1.5 horsepower. I think it's either that or 1 3/4. I'm not sure. There is no label on it, but this will be a future project here. Get this thing running. This will eventually go on to my Sears Suburban tractor frame. So that's the plan for it anyway. But we'll check it out close here. So this is the Model T. Serial number is T11746. And I am not sure of the year, but judging from the magneto, it's got to be after 24. But just a quick overall walk around here. A couple things I've noticed. This has been welded. This piece broke off here at some point. There is no gas tank right now. The guy said it was running about 4 years ago last time he tried. Alright, our magneto does have the original coils in it, so it may need some work. Not sure. It's got the brass plate on it. Don't know if the serial number matters there. But I'm not even sure if it has spark. I do know it has compression. Alright, so another thing I noticed, I didn't notice this till I got it home because it's kind of dark in the shed I was looking. But this whole piece here on the governor has been broken off, and to me it doesn't look like it's welded on straight, which really sucks. It's probably straight enough, probably not a problem, but needs a little work there. It looks like there's some pretty good wear on the crank gear. I might need a crank gear for it. The cam and the governor gear look pretty good, so it's probably fine. Doesn't seem to be any play in any of the bearings, which is a plus. And it has really good compression, so probably good to go there. Looks like somebody put a crank pulley off of a vehicle on here at some point. It's got the original style cast muffler, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, I don't know for sure if this is a 1.5. I guess I could check bore. I guess the bore size might be different with the 1.5 and the 1 3/4. But I'm also not 100% sure of the year. So if anybody out there knows, can give me a little more information on it, that'll definitely help. But yeah, so the next video about this engine, we'll see what it takes to get it running. Kind of get it running as is, probably not a restoration. And then we'll get it on that Suburban tractor frame, Sears Suburban tractor frame, and maybe once the mechanical's done and it's rolling, we'll might take it all apart and restore it and restore that tractor frame. I don't know. That's a bit in the future, but stay tuned. You'll see all this happen. Hopefully sooner than later. But just for some inspiration. There we go. I got all these other projects in the background. I got the fire pump, got the Fairbanks, so. But we'll definitely get this one running next before I mess with any of those other ones. Stay tuned.